Okay, we are going to start our class today. We will start from rule 3. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Mohammed Firdaus Siddiq. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir, we can.
Thank you. Now, here is rule 3 for you. Rule 3 is actually part of our conditional sentence. But you are not very much acquainted with this type of sentences. The simple structure starts with but for or without. But for or without is followed by noun or noun. The main part consists of subject plus to the root plus have plus past participle of verb. As you can see on the screen, subject plus to or root plus have plus past participle of verb is also common to our third conditional sentences. This type of simple sentences is converted to complex ones following this structure. He is he plus it plus had plus not plus been plus for. Then noun or noun phrase. Look, if it had not been is replacing but. Then the rest of the structure remains the same. You have to work with but for or without plus noun or noun phrase. Now, the compound structure. Do you have pen and paper with you?
Yes, sir.
Then write down the structure. If you are done with writing the structures, let me know. While writing the structures, you may notice these examples. But for or without his help, I should not have succeeded. তার সাহায্য বিনা আমি সফল হতাম। তার সাহায্য বিনা আমি সফল হতাম। But for or without his help, I could not have succeeded. This is a sentence based on the simple structure. For your very kind information, you can also use except for, EXCEPT, except for in place of but for. I repeat, you can use even except for in place of but for in this simple sentence. If we make it complex, we have to work with but for or without his help. But for or without his help will change to if it had not been. This is common. Then for, then noun or noun change, his help. If it had not been for his help, comma, then the rest part of the sentence will remain the same. I should not have succeeded. If we change it into a compound sentence, the noun phrase will change to past indefinite tense. Look here, he helped me. His help changes to he helped me. Then we use or, otherwise, or else. Then the rest part of the sentence will remain the same. He helped me, or comma, or otherwise, or else I should not have succeeded. If you have finished going through the slides, let me know. You can also take a screenshot of it. Let me know if you have finished going through this slide. Can you hear me loudly?
So done.
Okay. Now can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Everyone is done with this slide? Should we move on to our next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
স্যার স্যার কম্পাউন্ডে যদি শুধু আদারওয়াইজ দিই তাহলে কি কোনো প্রবলেম হবে?
You can use or, otherwise, or else. Any of them. You need not use the three. You can use any of them. You can use or, you can use otherwise, you can use or else. You need not use all the three.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I think you are ready with your pen and paper. You have some tasks to do. Do this exercise.
Sir, we would have been led astray means what?
আমরা গোল্লায় যেতাম আমরা গোল্লায় যেতাম লিড সামওয়ান স্ট্রে মিন্স গোল্লায় কাউকে গোল্লায় নিয়ে যাওয়া খারাপ দিকে নিয়ে যাওয়া If you are done with this exercise, let me know. I'm waiting for your response.
Okay, sir, we will.
Amun. Are you done with doing this exercise?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you find these sentences difficult? Pratik, how far you have done? Tell me how far you have done.
Sir, I have done, sir.
Okay. The rest of the students? Swapnil,
Yes, sir. Pretty done,
tell
sir.
me. Done.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then let's see the answers and get your answers corrected. First one. If complex, if it had not been for your advice, the rest of the rest part of the sentence will remain the same as I said earlier. If it had not been for your advice, we would have been led astray. Now compound. You advised us. You can use or otherwise, or else. One of them. You did not use all the three. You can use one of them. You advised us, or we would have been led astray. You advised us, otherwise we would have been led astray. You advised us, or else we would have been led astray. Do you have anything to say? Now, B. You can use but for, or you can use without. Even you can use, as I said earlier, except for. But for or without their cooperation. The rest part of the sentence remains the same. The project would have failed. And now compound. Past indefinite, they cooperated, or otherwise, or else the project would have failed. Now C.
Sir,
Pratik,
shouldn't we use a hyphen or cooperative cooperation?
please repeat.
So shouldn't we use a hyphen cooperation?
Should we use hyphen?
Yes, sir.
Where?
Cooperation word.
After cooperation.
Yes, sir.
Is but for or without their cooperation, then hyphen.
Hyphen.
Oh, yes, you can. CO hyphen OPERATI. You can use hyphen or not. That's up to you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now, complex. Simple one is but for or without the hard work. Work hard is verb and adverb. Hard work is adjective and noun. We need here noun phrase. If it had not been for their hard work, they would have suffered much. Who has got all the answers correct? Any of you? Have you got your answers corrected? Tell me. Should we move on to our next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, here is rule 4 for you. It's a common rule. Many of you know it. simple besides or apart from or in addition to plus verb ing phrase. Besides, apart from or in addition to means in Bengali ছাড়াও ছাড়াও এই কলমটি ছাড়াও আমার আরেকটি কলম আছে। When we turn it into a complex one, we use while plus subject plus verb. Here while means in Bengali একদিকে dot 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 অপর দিকে. Here while means in Bengali একদিকে dot 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 অপর দিকে. Here while does not mean in Bengali যখন or যতক্ষণ. When we turn it into a compound sentence, we use not only dot 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 but also. Let's see some examples. Simple. Besides or apart from or in addition to being a good student, he is also a good player. We'll turn besides, apart from or in addition to plus verb ing phrase into a subordinate clause starting with why. Let's see the complex sentence. While he is a good student, comma, he is also a good player. The simple sentence means in Bengali ভালো ছাত্র হওয়া ছাড়াও সে একজন ভালো খেলোয়াড়. The complex sentence means একদিকে সে একজন ভালো ছাত্র, অপরদিকে সে একজন ভালো খেলোয়াড়. When we change it into a compound sentence, it looks like this. He is not only a good student but also a good player. সে শুধুমাত্র ভালো ছাত্রই নয়, সে একজন ভালো খেলোয়াড়. Either take a screenshot of it or write it down in your exercise book. When you are finished with your writing, let me know. I'm waiting for your response.
Finished, sir.
Finished? Every one of you?
No, sir.
Then when you are finished with your writing, let me know. I want everyone to be finished with their writing.
Finish.
Good. Then let's do an exercise. Okay. Do as quickly as possible. In the third sentence, number C, you will find as well. As well is synonymous with also. As well and also mean the same thing.
What is averse?
Please repeat.
What is the meaning of averse?
What is the meaning of?
Averse. He is also averse to his studies.
Oh, number B, in addition to being naughty, he is also averse to. Averse means in Bengali, bimuk. Averse to his studies. সে তার পড়াশোনা বিমুখ, মানে পড়াশোনা করতে চায় না। Averse to, সে কর্মবিমুখ. He is averse to work. Remember, to is here a preposition. If you use a verb after averse to, you have to add an ing to that verb. Say he is averse to playing in the field. Averse to means bimuk, unwilling to do something, কোনো কিছু করতে অনিচ্ছুক। Are you done with writing the answers? অরিত্র, স্নেহাংশু, স্নেহাংশু,
Yes, sir.
are you done with writing the answers?
No, sir. Almost done.
Okay, let me know when you are finished with writing the answers. Now, are you done with writing the answers? Jalil? Jalil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let's see the answers and get your answers corrected. You can use any of besides or apart from or in addition to. You need not use all the three. Besides suffering from thirst, he also passed sleepless nights. Complex. While he suffered from thirst, he also passed sleepless nights. Now B, complex. While he is naughty, he is also averse to his studies. Compound. He is not only naughty but also averse to his studies. Now simple. C. Besides having a pen or besides a pen, both are correct. He has a pencil as well. He has not only a pen but also a pencil. Have you got your answers corrected?
Yes, sir.
Then let's end our class today. We'll see you. I will see you in your our next class. Don't roam about in streets. Stay home. Stay safe.
নমস্কার
হ্যাঁ,
Adab,
নমস্কার,
sir.
আদাব। I'm ending the class.